No computer, just your phone and Artspira. First, you'll need to download the files. You'll download them from the website where you bought the font, and they usually come as a zip folder. Just go to your account, find your purchase, and download the folder. Your phone will save it to your downloads folder automatically. On an iPhone, just tap the zip file once and it will unzip by itself. You'll see a new folder with the same name and the icon will look a little different. Now you have the unzipped folder on your phone, and inside you'll see a few folders with different sizes. That's all you need from this folder for now. Next, open the Artspira app. Tap the plus sign in the middle and choose Design Editor. You've opened a new canvas in the app, pick your hoop size, and don't worry, you can change it later. At the bottom, tap Import. It will ask to open an external file. If you don't see it right away, just use the search bar and type the folder name. Then open the size folder you want. I'm going to spell the name Jill, so my first letter is J. And that's it. I'm just importing one letter at a time. J, then I, then L, and the last L. Slide them with your finger, line them up, and make the spacing look perfect. In a minute, you've got a clean, stitched name ready to send. And the best part? Artspira is free, so you can use it to combine my fonts and any purchased embroidery designs right from your phone. If you ever want an even faster type-a-name workflow, I also have my own lettering combiner app. But for most quick names, this Artspira method is perfect. You can move and line up the letters with your finger, use 2 fingers to zoom and adjust the view, kind of like working with clay. And if you're on an iPad, a stylus makes it even easier. Here's a little trick that saves a ton of time. Once your word looks good, tap one letter, then tap the 3 dots at the bottom. I'm pointing to it on the screen, and choose Multi-Select. Now you can select the whole word, so you can move it into the perfect spot in your hoop. When you're happy with it, tap Save, type a name, and it'll be stored in your projects. You'll see it down in the bottom menu. And if you want other easy options for combining letters, visit my website and check the Tools section. I've got a few different helpers there, so you can choose what feels best for you. All the links are in the description, and if you get stuck at any step, just message me anytime.